How to read your natural gas bill. Your Vermont Gas statement provides details on the amount of gas your household uses and the associated costs. This usage may include heating, hot water, and appliances like a cooking stove or clothes dryer, depending on what you have connected to natural gas. There are several factors that may affect your bill. The most common include the household size. Your bill may increase when more people are in your home, as this can lead to higher gas usage. Weather changes may also have an impact. If you heat with natural gas, weather changes will impact your bill. Colder months typically lead to increased usage, resulting in higher bills compared to warmer months. Your bill shows the amount of natural gas used over the previous month, known as the service period. You can compare your current usage with the same period last year to see any changes. CCF, which stands for 100 cubic feet, is a unit we use to measure your natural gas usage. Key information on your bill. When you open your bill, you will see your name, your account number, and your service address. You will need this information if you call customer service for assistance with your bill, and you will need your name and account number if making a payment online or through our automated phone payment system. There are 3 important dates on your bill. The bill date, the date the bill is generated. The service period, the dates for which you are being charged. And the due date, which is the deadline for your payment. Payment options. You can pay by check. Simply tear off the bottom part of your bill, fill it out with the payment amount, and place it along with your check in the provided envelope. Mail it to us with the correct postage. Please do not include cash. Be aware that payments can sometimes get lost in the mail. You can pay online using your computer or mobile device by visiting our website, vgsvt.com. Open the menu and click on Account Login. You will have the option to make a one-time payment. To do so, you will need the exact name and account number as they appear on your bill. If you have already established an account, you may also log in to make a payment. Scan the QR code on your bill to pay with a debit card, credit card, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. You can also generate a barcode to pay with cash at local retailers like CVS, Walgreens, Family Dollar, and Walmart. Use our automated phone payment system. You will need your Vermont Gas account number, phone number, and zip code. Alternatively, you may set up bill payments through your bank's bill payment system using your Vermont Gas account number. Ask a bank representative for assistance if needed. Our customer care team is here to help with any questions. We can provide an interpreter if needed. Call us Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. for assistance.